welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. So the past couple months I've been crocheting a lot. So today I thought I would show y'all everything I've crocheted in the past like 2 months, which is basically since the last time I made a video that was, I think it was the best things I crocheted video. That kind of covered a lot of stuff I'd crocheted, so this is what I've done since then basically. And I'll go in order from least favorite to favorite, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we have is these bucket hats. They're in last because I don't really wear bucket hats. I just thought, oh, I can make that. And the first one I made a little too big for my head. Granted, I have a really small head. I totally freehanded it, and so not bad. Like, I can live with it. So I made a second one a little bit smaller, and I think this one fits me a lot better. Yeah, this one's much better, but it's still, I just don't really wear bucket hats, but I think it's fun, it's cute, yeah. Next is this yellow top that I made, following a tutorial that I will link in the description below. And I like this top, and it's a great tutorial, but I accidentally made it a little bit too big because I didn't have the right size crochet hook with me, and I also ran out of yarn, so I wanted to make it longer, but I couldn't. But it's a great tutorial. It's a cute top, it's a great design, but just a little big for me. So I'm trying to remake it in white, but I got distracted with other projects, so I haven't finished that yet. But that will be coming soon-ish, hopefully. Okay, next I have made a bunch of these Boleros. They're so much fun to make, and I think it's largely because there's not a lot of ends to weave in and not a lot of connecting panels, and I like that a lot. Here, I'll try it on. And these are available in my Etsy shop, so I'll put that in the description link as well. I've got 2 in this color, and I'll show you the others that I have as well. And I really like the Boleros. I think they're so cute, and I think they're so fun for music festival season. They're perfect for summer concerts, all that good stuff. So here's the first Bolero. I love these Boleros. Okay, I'll show you the next one because this one is so fun to me. This Bolero is one of my favorites. This yarn has this like sparkly little metallic thing intertwined in it, so it's, if you look closely, it's sparkly, and so that is so perfect for festival season and the summer in general. It's just so fun and vibrant. And this one is also available in my Etsy shop, link in description. Yeah, so fun. Okay, I have one last Bolero that is also in my Etsy shop, so I'm going to show you all that now. Here is the final Bolero, and I still haven't woven the ends in yet, but by the time I upload this video, they'll be woven in, it'll be in my Etsy shop. I also actually made a matching bucket hat that I'm showing you now instead of earlier, so I can show you them together. See, I just can't really rock the bucket hat look. Look how fun! Yeah, so those are all available in my Etsy shop. Also, there is a fly buzzing like right by my microphone, so I'm sorry if you hear that throughout this video. Next we have 2 mesh tank tops that are available in my Etsy shop. So there's this super colorful, fun one. It matches the 2 Boleros with this yarn that I made. And yeah, this one is just so much fun and so perfect for the summer and concerts and everything. So link in description. And I also made it in white, so I'll show you that next. Here is that same top in white, and I honestly love the simplicity of this one. This is something I would wear. I tend to go for more natural colors, neutral colors. So I'm a big fan of this one. Also available in my Etsy shop. I'll go ahead and show you the next 2 things while I have this on. I have gotten into making these planters. I'll show you the first one I made. I usually make 2 of each, so the first one can be like a test round of making something. Sorry, I had put it in a bag and everything gets tangled up in my bag. Hold on. Okay, that's better. So this was the first one that I made. Look how cute! Yeah, these are so much fun to make. I've never really gotten into making like plushies and things like that, but this is so much fun to make. I've made so many now, so I might like this one even more. I really like the brown. I think it's so pretty. And I did less of the vines, like 1 less, and I kind of like it more. It seems less jumbled up. Yeah, so those are my planters. They're not in my Etsy shop yet. I'm thinking about adding them, but I'm kind of hoping to start doing pop-up shops, and I might save them for that and do clothes on Etsy and these in the pop-up shop. We'll see. I'll let you know. Okay, next is this cover up that I made, and it's not gonna look cute over this, so here's a picture of me with it over my swimsuit. This is one of my favorite things. This I finished in the last 2 months. I started it in March, but I got distracted and didn't finish it, but I finished it and I just love it. I'm gonna wear this anytime I go to the beach. Obsessed with it. Okay, next is this top that I designed, and it looks better without the bandeau under it, but I didn't feel like changing all the way, sorry. I designed this top and I have a tutorial for it on my channel. If you want to go check it out, I can put that in the description also. Yeah, I just love this yarn. I think it's so cute. It is a little bit big for me because I did not have the right size crochet hook with me because I made it at camp and didn't bring everything. Mistake. I still like how it turned out. I think it's cute. I didn't tie it all the way, but yeah. And the final thing is that same top, but in green and the correct size. So this one fits me much better. I still have to leave some of the ends in on it, but I love this top. I'm so happy with how it turned out. Yeah, link in description for tutorial. And that's all I got today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed getting to see all the stuff that I've crocheted in the past month. And I think I've improved even since my last Best Things I've Crocheted video. It's just fun to document the progress and really get to see it. So yeah, thank you for joining me in it too. Yeah, I've got lots more crochet content, so feel free to subscribe for tutorials and crochet vlogs and all that stuff. All right, see you next time, bye.